Step 1. Position the left side panel holes onto the base plate bolts as demonstrated in the video. Then repeat the process for the right side. Step 2. Install washers onto all bolts and secure with nuts. Repeat this fastening sequence for all 4 corners. Step 3. Align the top plate according to video instructions. Insert its bolts into the corresponding side panel holes. Put on washers and tighten with nuts. Step 4. Insert the clip into the side hole, then fix and tighten it with a screw and put on the screw washers. Repeat for all 4 sides. Step 5. Open the cover plate. Place the washers into the corresponding holes. Then secure them with bolts. How to change the password. Step 1. First set the combination dial to the initial code 000. Slowly rotate the lock clockwise while observing the side aperture until it aligns with the internal hole of the lock mechanism. Step 2. Extract the reset pin and insert it into the aperture. Apply firm finger pressure while observing whether the number wheel is pushed to the edge. Maintaining this pressure, rotate the dial to your desired new combination before releasing. The password modification is now complete.